Do you wanna turn Windows 11 into Windows 8 Consumer Preview? And stick around if you wanna know how to do it yourself or if you wanna see the final result. Hi friends, today I'm here with another tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Windows 11 look and feel like Windows 8 Consumer Preview. Yes, this was a requested video and I'm sorry for being delaying it, and without further ado, let's go. First of all, you wanna create our store point as always. And now we're going to choose the C drive, click on configure, turn on system protection and give it some size for it to use. Click on apply, click on OK. Now click on create. I'm going to put in a name, take me back to Windows 11. And then click on create. And if you are new here, let me kind of explain why I'm doing this. This is if our system breaks while we do this, or maybe you don't like the look anymore and you just want to revert back to this state, or something terribly wrong happened and you want to return. Once that was created, click on close, click on OK. Now, here are the files that we'll be needing for today's video. We need the sounds, Explorer Patcher, the start button, wallpaper, Winaero tweaker, and WindowBlinds 11. And the first I wanna do is extract Winaero tweaker. Now run the setup. I wanna click on next. I'm going to install it normally. We're going to accept the agreement because we read those, right? And then click on next, next, and install. Let's run Winaero tweaker now. Yes, we will repeat the license terms because we read them very, very carefully. And here, what we are interested in to find the startup sound, we're going to enable it, and I'm going to replace the startup sound with the one that I have. Sounds here is Windows 8 CD start. Yes, on the build of Windows 8, they still have the Windows 7 sounds, as I know, and I don't need Winaero tweaker anymore for now. That's why I'm going to close it. And now we're going to install Explorer Patcher. Now what will this do is change the taskbar to Windows 10 one, but we're going to tweak it to make a full screen start menu that Windows 10 had. Now we have Windows 10 taskbar and start menu. And now we have the Windows 10 taskbar and the start menu. I have a Windows 10 one. And pretty much the entire taskbar is identical to Windows 10. Nearly identical except the icons. And what we're interested in, to right click on the taskbar, go to properties. Now we're going to change the taskbar style to Windows 11, and what we need to find is go under start menu tab, and we want to find where now choose the start menu style to Windows 10, and here we have a Windows 10 start menu in the center of the taskbar. Pretty cool, right? If you're a fan of the Windows 10 start menu, you can do this. But what we're interested in is to find the full screen start, and choose under display mode full screen start. Yes, we're going to click yes. And now we have a full screen start menu, which Windows 10 had, and this is because the Windows 8 builds and Windows 8.1, as you know, had a start screen, and I think it's better to rather have the Windows 10 full screen start menu rather than none. And now we're going to install WindowBlinds now. We want to agree to the license terms, and now click on next. Click on next, and here we have all the themes that we want to install. And honestly, I won't leave a whole lot of themes. The most important theme is in Windows 8. I'm just going to leave a few, so I won't have to wait a lot of time for it to install. Now, once you chose your themes, click on next, and now it's going to install this on our system, and we'll be able to change the theme once it's installed and activated. And now just sit back while this is installing. And now it's time to activate this thing, and I'm going to start a 30-day trial for now. Time to enter an email. We want to activate this. Once that is done, we're going to click on finish, and now we're going to choose the Win8 theme, which looks a lot like the Windows 8 developer, consumer, and release preview themes. I'm going to apply that style to the desktop. Click on yes. And this already looks pretty nicely. And now we're going to close WindowBlinds, and here we're going to go under taskbar settings, and now we're going to turn off the search, the task view, the widgets panel, and the chat, and go under taskbar behaviors, and we're going to choose it to the left side. And here we have a start button that will open up like, let's say this like the start screen, even though it's not. This will be for the developer preview, but in our case we want the consumer preview. So we're going to see this little start button picture that I have created, and what I'm going to do is install OpenShell. Click on next. We want to agree to the license terms, and don't forget to read them all. I'm going to disable the Classic Explorer and Classic IE because I didn't like the Windows 11 Explorer, honestly. We want to click on yes to the user account control, and now we should be able to get the OpenShell menu settings. So we just search for that. And here, we're going to choose like the Windows 7 style start menu, and we want to choose either the Metro or the Windows 8 one, but that's going to be your personal preference. And the more important thing why we install this is to replace the star button. Now we don't want this arrow one. I'm going to click on custom here and pick image. I'm going to locate my star button, and yeah, this is going to cover the star button, but it's actually better than having that one. And under skin, I'm going to choose the Windows 8 one, or maybe the Metro one, because they both fit. In what we do. I'm going to keep the Windows 8 for now. And the great thing now is not we'll only have a normal start menu, we'll have a full screen start menu, which is actually kind of cool. Now we're going to set the wallpaper as our desktop background. This is already looking better. And now we're going to change the sound. So we open up the sounds folder and we'll see the media folder. Copy that and go here to C, Windows, and you should be able to find a media folder. Rename the existing media folder to media.old. And we're going to paste the media folder that we copied here, so we can have the sounds. And we are done. Yeah, what do you think about this? Doesn't this look like Windows 8 Consumer Preview to you? And this is basically it for today's delayed video. And if this helped you, or you just kind of like the look or you enjoy it, make sure to have liked this video, watch the 2 videos I'm going to put up on the screen, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye!